In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Uber income and fees in FreeTaxUSA. If you drive with Uber and you received a 1099K, it's important to enter that information correctly on your tax return so your income and expenses are reported clearly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside FreeTaxUSA and what to enter, using the information from your Uber tax form. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to freetaxusa.com. Once the website loads, sign into your account. After you're logged in, either start a new tax return if you haven't begun yet, or open the return draft you've already been working on. Make sure you're in the correct tax year before continuing, since entering income into the wrong year can cause confusion later. Once you're inside your return, look for the income section. This is where FreeTaxUSA organizes all of the money you earned during the year. From there, find and select business income, which is also called Schedule C. Uber driving is generally treated as self-employment income, so this is the section where your rideshare earnings are usually entered. After opening the business income area, continue until you reach the part where you can enter your business earnings. Here, you'll input your total gross receipts. Use the amount from box 1A on your Uber 1099K form. This number represents the total amount processed for your rides before subtracting certain fees and expenses. It's important to enter the full gross amount here because the platform fees are handled separately as a deduction rather than being removed from income upfront. Next, go to the expenses section for that same business entry. In the expenses area, locate the appropriate place to enter the Uber platform fees that were reported to you. Enter those fees as a business expense. This helps make sure your tax return reflects not just what came in, but also the costs associated with earning that income. As you complete this section, take a moment to double check that the gross receipts match box 1A exactly and that the platform fees are entered only once in the expenses area. Accuracy matters here because overstating or understating either number can affect your taxable profit. Once everything is entered, review the business summary to confirm the income and deductions look reasonable. That's it. You've now entered your Uber gross receipts and deducted your platform fees correctly in FreeTaxUSA.